Hello everyone, this is Khairul Alam Shobus from All Math Matters. Welcome to my online math class. Hello guys, today I am going to solve some problems from trigonometry. In my first lecture, I showed the formula of trigonometry. Now, I will try to solve some problems from trigonometry which are so important for the O-level exam. Okay. Now let us consider one problem, that is number 1. So the given problem is, here is a diagram is given. So according to this diagram, some informations are given. So in the figure, angle ADC equal angle ACB equal 90 degree. That means this and this angle are 90 degree. Angle EAD is given 55.1 degree. Angle CAB is given 40.4 degree, and side AE equal 4.1 centimeter. That is A equal 4.1 centimeter. AD equal 3.7 centimeter. AD equal 3.7 centimeter, and AC equal 8 centimeter. So now we need to find what will be the angle ACD. That means ACD, we need to find this angle. What will be this angle? And then we need to find the side AB. What will be the side AB? And finally we need to calculate what will be the area of triangle AED. Okay, so actually here all informations are given. We just need to use the formula from trigonometry. Okay, first number A. So if you look at in the triangle ACD, it's a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle we need to find the angle C. So always keep in mind, for the which if the angle is defined, the opposite side of this angle is called opposite and the base side is called adjacent, and always the opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. So we already know that some relation for this right angle triangle. So here two informations are given, one is opposite, another is hypotenuse. So we know that the relation between opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So if we take the ratio for this right angle triangle, so then we will get sine angle ACD equal opposite over hypotenuse. So here opposite is AD over hypotenuse is AC. So here, so angle ACD equal sine inverse. We just put the value here. The AD is 3.7 and AC equal 8. So now if we calculate this by using the scientific calculator, then we can write here angle ACD equal 27.55 degree. 27.55 degree. You should check by using the scientific calculator. So this is the number A. This is so easy. You just need to keep in mind the ratio for sine. Okay, now next number B. We need to find the length of AB. So look at here. According to the question here, ABC is also a right angle triangle, and if it is a right angle, here the AB is the opposite of this right angle triangle. So look at, if we consider this given angle, then here AC will be the adjacent. So for number B, we should consider here cos, because cos angle CAB equal adjacent, that is AC, over we need to find is AB. Okay, so here angle CAB, that means that is given 40.4, and AC is given 8. We need to find the length AB. So if we do the calculation here, then it will be AB equal 8 divide cos 40.4 degree. So now if we use the scientific calculator, we can easily find the length of AB. So the length of AB will be 10.50 centimeter. So this is answer B. So this is so easy. You just need to know the ratio of the sine and cos. What is the formula of this? Then you can easily find the value of AB. Okay, now finally the area of the triangle AED. So here the triangle AED, look at here, one angle is given and two adjacent side is given. In my first lecture I showed that this formula. So for finding the area of this triangle AED will be half into two adjacent side, product of two adjacent side, that is 4.1 multiple 3.7 multiple the corresponding angle, that is 55.1. So sine 55.1 degree. Okay, now if we calculate this by using the calculator, then the value of this area will be 6.22 centimeter square. So these are the solution of this question number 1. So first we found the angle ACD, and in the second question we calculate the length of AB, and finally we found the area of the triangle, that is 6.22 centimeter square. So this is the solution of number 1. Okay, next we will look at another problem, that is number 2. Now in number 2 I will solve another problem, and this problem I will solve by using the sine formula. So here the problem is given in the diagram. ACD is a straight line. ABC, angle ABC is 62 degree, angle ACB is 68 degree, and two sides BC equals 6 centimeter and CD equals 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now we need to find the value of AC. So what will be the value of AC? So you look at, in this triangle ABC, two angles are given, one side is given. So if two angles and one side is given, we can easily find the value of AC. So, and we can also find the angle of this, because we already know that the sum of three angles add up to 180 degree. So then it will be 68 plus 62, that is 130. 180 minus 130, that should be 50 degree. Now it will be easy to calculate the length of AC. For number A, by using sine rule in triangle ABC, then we can write BC over sine 50 degree equal AC over sine 62 degree. So just we can take only two relation. We know that the three sides are proportional to the three angles. So here we need to find only AC. That's why I take just only two relations. So by using this value of this BC, we can easily find what will be the value of AC. So now if we calculate here, AC equal BC, the value of BC is given already here is 6 centimeter, that is 6 multiple sine 62 degree over sine 50 degree. So now if we do the calculation by using the scientific calculator, the value of AC will be 6.92 centimeter. So here by using the sine formula we can easily find the side of this triangle. If the side of AB will need to calculate, then we also can easily calculate it by using this formula. Okay, now according to the question we already solved number A, now we'll solve number B. Okay, the number B we need to find the area of triangle A, B, D. Okay, if you look at in this diagram, this whole triangle is divided into two small triangle. One is ABC and another is BCD. So we already know the value of AC. Now we can easily find the whole triangle, area of the whole triangle ABD. So for finding this value of this triangle ABD, we can write it like that: triangle ABC plus triangle BCD. Okay, so we already know the area of the triangles if two sides and their corresponding angle is given. So we need to do some calculation. Here it is given 68 degree. So this is a straight line. So we know that the straight angle is 180 degree. Then it should be 118 degree, because if we subtract 68 from 180, then it will be 118 degree. Okay, now area of the triangle ABC. So if we look at here, the one side BC is given and we already calculate the side AC. So then we can write it like that: half into 6 into 6.92 into corresponding angle is 68 degree. So 68 degree plus the second one, that is BCD. So here for finding this area of this triangle, here half into 7.5 multiple 6 multiple sine 118 degree, 118 degree. Okay, now if we calculate these two values by using the calculator, then we will get 19.25 plus, and the area of triangle BCD is 19.87. So if we add these two values, then it will be 39.12 centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle ABD. So look at here, if you use the formula, then it will be so easy and you can easily find the value of AC and the area of the triangle, but you must need to know the formula from trigonometry. Okay, now next we will solve another question, that is number 3. Okay, now in number 3 I will show another problem. Okay, here I will use the cosine formula. So first look at the question. The question is, in triangle ABC, one side is A equal 3.8 centimeter, another side B equal 5.3 centimeter, and the third side C equal 6.7 centimeter. Now what is the size of the largest angle? Okay, first I just draw this triangle, then it will be better for understanding. So if we consider A, B, C is a triangle, so here the A equal 3.8 centimeter and B equal 5.3 centimeter, and C equal 6.7 centimeter. So the question is, what is the size of the largest angle? Okay, so in my first lecture, I told that you just follow the side of this triangle. If the side is largest, then the opposite angles will be the largest. So if you look at these three sides, so here the C is the largest side, so the opposite of this side is angle C is the largest angle of this triangle. Okay, so we need to find the angle C. Okay, so we can do it by quite easily because we already know the formula of cosine. So for finding the angle C, you can write cos angle C equal a square plus b square negative c square over 2ab. Now just put the value of this a, b and c. Then a equal 3.8 centimeter square plus b equal 5.3 square negative c equal 6.7 square over 2 multiple 3.8 multiple 5.3. So here if we do the calculation, that will be cos c equal, the numerator will be negative 2.36 and the denominator will be 40.28. Okay, now the angle C will be cos inverse negative 2.36 over 40.28. Now if you use the scientific calculator, then you can easily find the angle C. So that will be 93.36 degree. So 93.36 degree. So this is the largest angle of this triangle. So if the question, what is the smallest angle of this triangle, then you can also find it quite easily. You just look at the three sides, which side is the smallest. So here the side A is the smallest. So here the angle A will be the smallest angle. So then you can use the cosine formula for angle A and you can easily find the value of this angle. So if someone know these three formula of cosine, then you can easily find the missing angle and also you can also find the missing side of a triangle. So I believe that if you practice these three sums properly and can use the formula of this triangle, so then you can easily solve any problems from this trigonometry. So class, thank you everyone.